Welcome to another video in the Shotcut video editing series. I'm Joe, your tech handyman. In this video, I will show you how to create cinematic glitch effects using the Shotcut editor. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe, like, comment. If you're ready, let's dive right in. So guys, open up your Shotcut editor and then go to your open file tab and then drag in the video that you want to work on. In this case, I want to work on 2 video. This is the first one, so I'll drag it to the play and then I'll go back and bring in the second video. This process has been explained how you can import your materials. So I'll just drag it from the preview pane to the playlist like so. So once I have both video right here, I need to bring them to the timeline so I can commence editing. First thing I do is to click the plus button. Once I have it in the preview pane, then it's down there. Then I double click on the second video to have it on the preview pane, then click on this plus button. As it is now, I have both videos on the timeline. Now if I play the video, that's exactly how it plays from the beginning. And then if you see, since there are 2 videos, there's going to be a sharp transition to the next one, just like that. So these are the 2 videos I'm going to add the glitch effects to. So the first thing you want to do is to drag the playhead, to the exact position that you want the glitch to start from. In this case, I want to leave it somewhere here, and then I'll use the S short key to split my clip just like so, and then I will do same on the second clip. So you have 2 split clips now from the 2 videos. So if I play, you will see. So I'll select the first one that I cut out and then go to filters. Once you go to filters, click this plus button. Once you click on it, just type in the search bar glitch. So you will see this option out here. Just click on it, the glitch option, and then it opens up this space. So you can see the default glitch, how it is. This is the default with the default setting, everything at default. This is how it will look if I play. Okay, but I'm going to use this place to really control how I want my glitch to go. First of all, I will toggle the frequency a bit, and then the block height, I will reduce it to somewhere so it's smaller, so the blocks are smaller on there. Then the shift intensity, I'll increase it a bit. The color intensity, I'll increase it a bit. Now if I increase the frequency again a little bit more, and then if I come back to the video as it is now, I will copy the filters as it is because I want to use it on the second clip, just like so. So once that is selected on the second clip, just go to this button and press on it. So the exact filters is pasted here. So what you have in the first one is exactly what you have in the second video. So once you get there, you can see the nice glitch effect on there, and then it transitions into the next clip with the glitch effect going on, just like so. So what you have to do at this point, since you've already effected the glitch effect, what you have to do pretty much is to see how you can really customize this particular effect the way you want it. First of all, if I increase the shift intensity, that's how it will look. Then I'm going to try out another one. Maybe if I increase the intensity as it is to the maximum, this is how it will look. You barely see the video properly. Then for the color intensity, if I increase it all the way to the max, that means the glitch should be very, very colorful, just like so, as it is. So basically, you use these controls, to customize your glitch. The frequency is there, the block height, the shift intensity, and of course the color intensity. And the maximum is 100%, while the minimum is 0. So if I drag this color intensity all the way to 0, you can see the glitch color is at black and white because the color intensity is set at 0. So I will actually increase it again to have that nice colorful glitch as it is on your screen right now. So toggle, play around with these settings and then use this to copy the filters, and then use this other tab to paste the filters in another clip, so you can have everything in uniform. So if we play the entire video from the beginning, just notice how the glitch transitions in here. The first video, the first clip that is, and then it transitioned into the second clip with the exact same glitch effect, and then at the end of the day, that's exactly what you get. So thank you guys for watching this video. Experiment with this, and then let me see you in the next video doing better than you did today. Thank you. Bye.